production indicators and to the chief engineer in charge of this division. So they like the one that we do in Power BI, they have real-time indicators, what the pressure level right now, at which bar, and then what is happening right now, the production, efficiency, all that is you're watching.
People on the shop floor actually making garments for night.
We saw the training facilities, which was really interesting to see.
They really care about their staff members.
Yeah, everyone seems so happy.
They do yoga at 10 a.m. ladies.
And they've got a salon at the back where you can get your eyebrows done.
Wow. I remember that.
It was just, it's just a lovely environment.
They get free breakfast.
What about the whole program where they support their people? They're
able to move up.
Oh yeah, and they have like goals, and then they can become like team leaders. And they've never taken on a team leader from outside.
Everything's internal.
Overall, it was such an amazing experience.
It was.
I think that was
the best one so far.
I think that was everyone's favourite.
There are people which they create trend boards, mood boards. They do researches on the trends, so they send to the clients. I don't know,
it's like a trend pack.
To suggestion with shapes and prints for the collection that they have to produce. So there is an exchange of ideas and techniques to make the fabrics, then to make the garments. Then there was a very interesting software, Optimex, which is used to basically to create a 3D version of what the garment would be. So they place it on an avatar, and you can see a 360 degrees version of the garment. And this cuts the lead time. Yeah, because it's like a first sample that goes to production, which actually is just designed through this software.
So I found it very interesting about when they were talking to us about the quality checks, because they go through a lot of stages to make sure that the garments are completely perfect to be sent out. So they use the traffic light system. If they find one error, then they get put on a yellow, and then 2 errors they get put on a red. And if it gets to red, then they check the machines over and check the area. And if they find a broken needle, then they have to check all the garments again. And
I was impressed with the fact that the factory can embroidery up to 10,000 garments per day, and the total maximum they can reach is 100,000.